Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you all are doing well and are safe. You guys might have already guessed from the title of the video what this video is all about, but still I just want to include it in my introduction. So the video is gonna be on the jewelry collection. Basically this is going to be the earring collection. I don't know, I'm always out of breath, I guess, after effects of corona, but let's forget it. Okay, so the earrings which I'm going to show you are not the new one. These earrings are the one which I collected since the age when I realized that I should have earrings. And so the most of the earrings which I'm going to show you in this video are bought from the local market and not from the online store, so I won't be able to give you the link of the earrings in the description below. So only one earring that I bought recently from Meesho, I will give its link in the description below and will show you how it will give you a little review about the jewelry collection from the Meesho. And now without any further delay, let's start the video. Also before this, I just want to tell you guys that I am very bad at describing the jewelry, but still I will try to explain the earring collection that I have with me. I will tell you about the earrings. So now without any further delay, let's start the earring. The first earring which I just want to show you guys are these triangular one. These are in golden. This earring is in golden color. Okay, it goes with all the simple wear, like if you are wearing a simple kurti, or like if you are going to office and wearing simple kurti, then these kind of earrings looks really nice. I personally like such kind of earrings, so these are the one. Hope you guys are able to see this. And now let's move on to the second pair of earrings. So the second pair is these black metal earring. Okay, it has the pink moti, and along with the a little jhumka below this. And these earrings looks very beautiful with the heavy suit or so these kind of earrings looks very nice on the ethnic wear. Like if you are wearing any heavy dress or something, then these kind of earring looks very good. Also the pink moti will not overpower the this black metal, and it will go with only the pink dress, but these earrings can go with any dress which you want to wear. So another pair I have with me is the giant one, and it looks really nice with the lehenga, or if you are wearing any heavy dress. These kind of earring looks really nice. I personally like this earring, and I bought these from the local store. Again, as I have already said in the start of the video, that most of the earrings I bought from the local market, and it looks very nice. It has the jhumka, it gives a very beautiful look to this, and I believe you also like it. Now the another pair I have with me are these beautiful earring. Actually मेरे नहीं है, मेरी friend के हैं, and we both exchanged. She got my earring and I took her earring, and these earrings also look very nice. It has the the 2 layer of jhumki and the one moti below this, and it looks very nice, and it can go with any color of the dress. You can wear this kind of earring with any color outfit, and it looks very nice. Now the another pair I have with me are these ladi jhumki. It's in these jhumkis are in ladi form, and it looks very nice. It gives the Kashmiri look. I really like these earring, and it can go with any color of dress. You can wear these earring. Also it can go with the heavy as well as the simple outfit. You can wear this kind of earring with a simple suit, also with the lehenga, and it looks very nice, and it gives a very beautiful look. See, now the another pair I have with me are these small golden colored jhumki. Also I really like jhumkis. now you guys might have know that I really like jhumki after seeing the jewelry earring collection of mine, that because most of the earring are in jhumki form, so you can see like these golden jhumki are looking very beautiful, and you can wear these jhumki all along with the simple suit, or like with suit. Most of the time these earrings go with the suits, so I really like it. So okay, so the next jewelry which I'm going to show you is I bought recently. This is from Meesho. This comes in this kind of box. Okay, let me show you how this will look. It's a earring along with the Mang Tika. So let me show you. It comes in this kind of packaging. Let me open it. एक मोती टूटा भी हुआ है, as you guys can see. Okay, now it comes in this kind of packaging. देखो, okay, so the Mang Tika is this, the one. Let me show you how to look. I have to pin up with the safety pin also. So now let me show you the earrings, because this is basically the earring. Look at my hair. Earring collection video. So let me show you. Okay. This is again the jhumki one, as you guys know now. From now, as you guys know that I really like it. It has the red moti detailing, and it looks. I have very silky hair. This is why it is just it won't be able to. I have to put a pin. So that's it, guys. These were the earring collection that I have, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. And if you guys enjoy this video, then please don't forget to hit the like button. Also subscribe to my channel if you are new here, and share my videos. So that's it for today, and bye.